What's up, guys? Bree here, and I wanted to show you something that you could do right now in your business. Literally, it took me 8 minutes, and you can knock it out, okay? So watch this video. It's going to blow your mind. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is hop over to lovable.dev. That is lovable.dev. This is a large language model developer for websites, and it's going to create you the website that you asked for in minutes. Literally, this entire process took me 8 minutes and 54 seconds, which is actually kind of slow for what it normally produces. But what you see me doing here is uploading an image that I would like it to draw inspiration from and add to the website. I'm also going to give it just a little bit of details about what I want. Very minimal. I'm going to tell it that I want it to have this date, this time, and we're going to see what it comes up with. Okay, we're gonna speed past through this part because it's just thinking and creating in the background. But look, boom, it lays out a landing page with all of the details that I provided it. And it's gonna fill in some that it doesn't know. So it's like saying the event is free. No, this event will not be free. But look at what it did. Mind blown. Okay, now I have a couple things that I want to update. I want it to be black to match the flyer, so I'm going to give it that information. Again, very minimal. You can be more detailed. You can give it a full-fledged like landing page layout document, a design document if you want to, but I'm just going to be minimal because I want you to see how easy this is. So I let it know the changes that I want, and look, boom, this is a functioning website. Okay, I'm going to go through and fill out the form so you can see what pops up when you fill out the form. And it tells you registration successful. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is thousands of dollars and hours of time saved, and you can do this yourself. Okay, so after this part, people were blowing me up when I taught this in my class this weekend, and they were like, Bree, how do we get the website out of here? I got you. Let me show you. You can publish it here just as it is. So if you're like, this is temporary and I don't need this for big brand recognition, you can literally do a website.lovable.app, or you can connect your own domain to this website. Either way, but I'm just going to publish it so that you see how it works. And this website is literally live. Let me show you when I go to markettomillions.lovable.app what you're going to see. It's here. It's done. So how many websites you going to create today? Let me know in the comments, okay? And if this was helpful for you, please tell me and share it with somebody, because female entrepreneurs and our fellas need to know that we can hop in and get this done today. All right, peace, y'all.